The Caribbean, with its breathtaking beaches, vibrant cultures, and laid-back lifestyle, offers an array of destinations that are not only perfect for a memorable vacation, but also ideal for living and retiring. Here are the 15 best places to explore, settle down, and embrace the Caribbean dream. Number 15. Barbados. Barbados, a gem in the Caribbean, is a perfect destination for visiting, living, and retiring. Its pristine beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs make it a paradise for beach lovers and water enthusiasts. The island boasts a rich cultural heritage with colorful festivals, historical sites, and a welcoming local community. With a stable economy and a high standard of living, Barbados offers excellent infrastructure, modern healthcare facilities, and a wide range of amenities. The island's warm tropical climate, with year-round sunshine and gentle breezes, creates an ideal environment for relaxation and outdoor activities. Number 14. Aruba. Aruba, a captivating island in the Caribbean, is a sought-after destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its pristine white sandy beaches, clear turquoise waters, and a year-round pleasant climate, it offers an idyllic setting for relaxation and outdoor activities. Aruba's safe and friendly environment, modern infrastructure, and excellent healthcare system make it an attractive place to live. The island's diverse cultural heritage, vibrant festivals, and delicious cuisine add to its charm. Moreover, Aruba provides favorable tax benefits for retirees and a range of amenities to support a comfortable retirement lifestyle. Number 13. Bahamas. The Bahamas, an enchanting archipelago in the Caribbean, is an ideal destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its breathtaking beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and vibrant marine life, it offers a paradise for beach lovers and water enthusiasts. The Bahamas provides a relaxed and laid-back lifestyle with friendly locals and a welcoming atmosphere. The islands boast modern infrastructure, quality healthcare services, and a range of amenities to ensure a comfortable living experience. For retirees, the Bahamas offers a favorable tax environment, stunning natural beauty, and a variety of activities to enjoy during retirement years. Number 12. Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands, nestled in the Caribbean Sea, is a captivating destination for visiting, living, and retiring. Renowned for its pristine white sand beaches, crystal-clear waters, and world-class diving sites, it offers an unmatched natural beauty. The Cayman Islands provide a safe and secure environment with a high standard of living, excellent healthcare facilities, and modern infrastructure. Its stable economy, favorable tax regulations, and vibrant expatriate community make it an attractive choice for those seeking a place to live or retire. Number 11. St. Lucia. St. Lucia, a picturesque island in the Caribbean, is an exceptional destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its lush rainforests, majestic mountains, and pristine beaches, St. Lucia offers a breathtaking natural beauty. The island's warm tropical climate and friendly local community create a welcoming atmosphere for residents and visitors alike. St. Lucia provides a range of amenities, including modern infrastructure, quality healthcare services, and a variety of recreational activities. For retirees, the island offers attractive retirement programs, serene retirement communities, and a peaceful environment to enjoy a fulfilling post-work life. Number 10. Turks and Caicos Islands. The Turks and Caicos Islands, nestled in the Caribbean, offer an exquisite destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its pristine white sandy beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs, it's a paradise for beach lovers and water enthusiasts. The islands provide a tranquil and safe environment, with a low crime rate and a welcoming local community. Turks and Caicos boast modern infrastructure, quality healthcare facilities, and a range of amenities, making it an attractive place to live. For retirees, the islands offer a tax-friendly environment, luxurious retirement communities, and a serene ambiance to enjoy a relaxed and fulfilling retirement. Number 9. Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda, a captivating duo of islands in the Caribbean, is an enticing destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With their pristine sandy beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and a rich maritime history, they offer a paradise for beachgoers and sailing enthusiasts. The islands provide a laid-back lifestyle, friendly locals, and a welcoming community. Antigua and Barbuda boast modern infrastructure, quality healthcare facilities, and a range of amenities, ensuring a comfortable living experience. For retirees, the islands offer attractive retirement programs, picturesque retirement communities, and a serene environment to enjoy a fulfilling post-work life. Number 8. The Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic, located in the Caribbean, is a captivating destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its stunning white sand beaches, lush tropical landscapes, and vibrant culture, it offers a diverse and enriching experience. The country provides affordable living costs, a favorable climate, and a welcoming local community. The Dominican Republic offers modern infrastructure, quality healthcare services, and a range of amenities, making it an attractive place to live. For retirees, the country offers a relaxed lifestyle, affordable real estate options, and a variety of activities to enjoy during retirement. Number 7. Jamaica. Jamaica, a vibrant island in the Caribbean, is an enticing destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its stunning beaches, lush mountains, and rich cultural heritage, Jamaica offers a truly immersive experience. The island provides a warm and welcoming atmosphere, renowned for its friendly locales and vibrant music scene. Jamaica offers a range of amenities, including modern infrastructure, quality healthcare services, and a variety of recreational activities. For retirees, the island presents a tropical haven with favorable retirement programs, affordable living costs, and a relaxed island lifestyle. Number 6. Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico, a captivating island in the Caribbean, is an ideal destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and rich history, Puerto Rico offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban charm. The island provides a modern infrastructure, quality healthcare services, and a diverse range of amenities. Puerto Rico offers a warm and welcoming environment, with a rich cultural heritage and a vibrant arts and music scene. For retirees, the island provides attractive tax incentives, a lower cost of living compared to the mainland, and a comfortable tropical lifestyle. Number 5. Grenada. Grenada, a captivating island in the Caribbean, is an exceptional destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its pristine white sand beaches, lush rainforests, and welcoming culture, Grenada offers a truly immersive experience. The island provides a tranquil and safe environment with a warm and friendly local community. Grenada boasts modern infrastructure, quality healthcare facilities, and a variety of amenities, ensuring a comfortable living experience. For retirees, the island offers a serene and peaceful setting, affordable living costs, and a range of outdoor activities to enjoy during retirement. Number 4. St. Kitts and Nevis. St. Kitts and Nevis, a captivating twin island nation in the Caribbean, is a wonderful destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its pristine sandy beaches, lush tropical landscapes, and rich cultural heritage, it offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and tranquility. The islands provide a warm and welcoming atmosphere, with a close-knit community and a relaxed way of life. St. Kitts and Nevis boast modern infrastructure, quality healthcare services, and a range of amenities, ensuring a comfortable living experience. For retirees, the islands offer favorable tax incentives, peaceful retirement communities, and a plethora of recreational activities to enjoy during their golden years. Number 3. Belize. Belize, a captivating country in Central America, is an ideal destination for visiting, living, and retiring. With its pristine beaches, lush jungles, and remarkable biodiversity, Belize offers a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. The country provides a laid-back and welcoming environment, with a diverse cultural heritage and a thriving expatriate community. Belize boasts modern infrastructure, quality healthcare services, and a range of amenities, ensuring a comfortable living experience. For retirees, Belize offers a favorable tax environment, affordable cost of living, and a peaceful setting to enjoy a fulfilling retirement. Number 2. The British Virgin Islands. The British Virgin Islands, nestled in the Caribbean, are an enchanting destination for visiting, living, or retiring. With their pristine white sand beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and serene atmosphere, they offer a tropical paradise. The islands provide a safe and secure environment, modern amenities, and a warm local community. For retirees, the British Virgin Islands offer a peaceful and idyllic setting, favorable tax regulations, and a range of recreational activities to enjoy during retirement. Number 1. Saint Martin. Saint Martin, a unique island divided between the French and Dutch territories, is an enticing destination for visiting, living, or retiring. With its stunning beaches, vibrant cultural fusion, and culinary delights, it offers a diverse and enriching experience. The island provides a relaxed and cosmopolitan atmosphere, with a blend of European and Caribbean influences. Saint Martin offers modern infrastructure, quality healthcare services, and a range of amenities to ensure a comfortable lifestyle. For retirees, the island presents a welcoming and laid-back setting, attractive tax benefits, and a variety of recreational activities to enjoy during retirement. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.